Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save a location in Google Maps. We start by opening Google Maps. After that, we hold down the point we want so that the pin icon appears. After that, at the bottom, we are going to click on Save or Add Label. Next, we give that location a name. Finally, in the Save category, we will find our added locations. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.